Hey y'all, it's me Marty. Welcome to another video. Like most of my videos, I just start filming. I just start doing what I'm doing and I never really know what's gonna happen. It's not rehearsed or staged or scripted or anything. It's just whatever I'm doing. I am at a rest area just south of Tumwater, Washington. And I'm hanging out here. I have a reload I'm going to get tomorrow morning, so I'm here. I was here last night. I'm here all day today, so it's going to make the best use of my time. And it's a gorgeous morning. It's like 35 degrees and sunny. There's a little woodsy area here. I don't think there's any trails or anything, but I got my pack on, and yeah, I just feel like getting a little exercise, fresh air, just to explore, and yeah, just see what's in the woods here a little bit and just enjoy. And I thought I'd just take you along with me, so here we go. So I'm right off of I-5, and yeah, my truck's over there. Yeah, beautiful woods area here. So I don't know how far I can go or where I can get to. I don't want to get too deep in the woods or anything, but just want to explore a little bit, walk around, and wow, gorgeous, huge trees here. Lots of moss. There's like moss on everything. Just beautiful. Purdy. Yeah, look at this. There's a little trail that goes back in here. Huh. Very cool. I don't know, maybe it's just me, but it's kind of got a, I don't know, a Narnia or Terabithia kind of feel in here. Very nice. So green. Oh my goodness. Purdy. Yeah, as usual, got the sound of the freeway, but it's still kind of cool. Yeah, it's a little wet, but my shoes are pretty much waterproof. Look at this. I don't know if you can see, if you're capturing the greenage in here, but very pretty. Green. Look at this moss. Crazy green. Look at that. I don't know how far I want to go in here just because looks like it's getting kind of wet. But I might go the other direction a ways. there actually is some different trails back in here. This is pretty cool. Look at this. Birds are singing. So pretty. It's cool. I keep finding more trails. It's kind of wet though, so look at this. Oh, bird. Hey there, birdie. I'm gonna fall in a swamp or a bog or something. I hear about people doing that. Oh, this is nice. This is cool. Wow, there's like offshoots of the trail all over. It gets kind of wet over that way. I don't know. There's a lot of different little trails in here. There's picnic tables and stuff. You can set up a little camp or something here. Look at this. So pretty, so green. Look at the green. Oh my goodness. Nice little ramble in the woods here. All kinds of little trails here. Yeah, I probably hiked about, I'm guessing, 2 miles round trip. Not real long, but that's what I like. Short little hikes. Wonderful. Beautiful area here. Yeah. Thanks for joining me. Find your adventure, y'all. Do what you can wherever God has you. Make the most of life.